Hycules hydraulic press brake, model 160-ton-3200, is designed to deliver reliable bending performance with excellent value for money. Equipped with the TP10S control system, it ensures simple operation and efficient parameter setting. The X and Y axis back gauge are controlled by servo motors for improved positioning accuracy and stable movement. It also features a motorized compensation system to enhance bending precision across the full working length. This machine is an ideal choice for customers seeking high-cost performance, accuracy, and dependable daily production.